circuit cracks me up, man. I'm telling you. Alright, so for extended testing, these little heat sinks weren't doing the trick. And as I told you before, I just super glued the MOSFETs to those heat sinks, and it seems to actually have worked. So what the hell? I just took those heat sinks and super glued them to some anodized aluminum heat sinks. Okay, so we got the anodized aluminum heat sinks here, mounting the Q2 MOSFETs. And then I put a beefier heat sink with thermal grease on the Q1 MOSFET as well, just so that I could do a little bit more extended testing. Oh yeah, oh, you gotta love it. Okay, so now I've got the signal generator set. Oh, I hope this works. Got the signal generator set to produce a negative going pulse only. Okay, as I explained in the last video. We'll turn the channel off. Boom. So there's where the baseline is, right there at that little hatch mark. Turn the channel back on, DC coupling. Now increase, oh, I forgot to hook the battery up again. I'm sorry. Oh no, it is hooked up. Okay, now I've also got the original load that I was using that I prepared for heating oil. This is a heavier inductance and a larger resistance in there. There's about 50 ohms and I don't know how many microhenries of inductance in there, but more than this one for sure. Okay, so anyway, so now we'll crank up the amplitude of the function generator's offset, and boom, there's. Can you hear that? That's my FM radio with the opera in the background, picking up the RF that this circuit is emitting. It's also making a nice big spike on that drain. Yeah, baby. So all I'm doing there is just varying the amplitude. The offset remains the same, right? If I go to DC, or rather to ground on that channel, boom. Okay, so you can see that all this function generator signal is negative going. And all I'm doing, I'm not varying offset at all. Offset is pressed in. I'm just varying amplitude. Yeah, baby. Hear that? Oh, that's coming from my FM radio. Speaker's way up there and up there somewhere. All right. So anyway, but that's not giving us any current or voltage drop. So if I tune it so that I get a better switching on the MOSFET and actually starts drawing some current from the battery, and that actually makes the load start heating up a little bit. Alright, so go back to those nice oscillations there. Now remember, this is with a completely different load than we did with first set of oscillations, and I don't know what those are going to resolve to. Let's see if I can even catch them. Use the delayed trigger function and might be able to get to it. I can figure out how it works. I can't quite find those delayed trigger oscillations, and I think I just blew out a MOSFET. Maybe, maybe not. Just lost that nice oscillation somehow. There it is. This is really dependent on where the wires are. So I have no doubt that the RATS team spent weeks tuning and trying to figure out how to get those oscillations in there. It's too bad they didn't understand what they were doing, though. Okay, thanks for watching. Wonderful tenor. All right, thanks for watching.